Buddy, my name is Ooi Carson. I am 10 years old. I learned STEM for 3 months. Today I'm gonna tell you about my project name is Library Noise Detector. I will show to you how my projects work. When it detects a loud noise, it will say please silence and ring alarm for 3 times. I will let you see. I'll demo for you. Hello! That I choose to create this project is whenever I go to library, I cannot focus when it's too noisy. So I create this library noise detector to remind everyone to stay quiet inside the library. The difficulty I face when making this project is don't know how to use the microphone function. So I asked help from my coding teacher and able to solve the problem. I will like to add more functions such as temperature detector, light detector, and many other sensors inside my project. I hope you enjoy my project. Thanks for watching and have a good day.